Ever wondered how machines can interpret visual data like humans do? Welcome to the fascinating world of Imagica AI, an advanced artificial intelligence system that brings this concept to life. Imagica AI is like a brilliant librarian, capable of sorting through your vast collection of images and finding exactly what you need. Want to find all the pictures of red cars or beach scenes? Just ask. This is made possible through deep learning algorithms that analyze and extract meaningful information from every pixel. When it comes to training Imagica AI, think of it as teaching a child. You provide it with a labeled dataset, or a set of images with known categories. The more varied and extensive your dataset, the wider the range of objects the system will recognize, and the better its accuracy. Once you've trained your model, you can apply it to a variety of tasks. From an image classification system that automatically categorizes your images, to an object detection model that can pinpoint multiple objects within a single image. This comes in handy for applications like autonomous vehicles or surveillance systems. To give you a practical understanding, we will walk you through a simple image recognition tutorial. We will train a model to recognize different dog breeds using the Imagica AI platform. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functioning dog breed classifier. And there you have it. You've now mastered the basics of Imagica AI and learned how to apply it to real-world tasks. The possibilities are endless with this powerful technology. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and guides. Stay tuned for more updates on Imagica AI and other groundbreaking developments in the world of artificial intelligence.